If you're looking for better deliverability for your emails, we're going to come right over. We're going to go to edit the profile and we're going to click edit. The biggest thing it wants is right now we're using our Remax email address is the default. Well, that's not an actual email address. It is only like a masked email. If you have a vanity email, that is preferred, not one that's just forwarded, but here I have like Heather at Social Marketing Nut. If you have Gmail, Outlook, anything like that, you can still add that, and it's going to then prompt to use one of their emails. We had to do the same thing, Constant Contact, MailChimp, BombBomb, all of those. If you don't have your own vanity email address, go ahead and put in like a Gmail, and it's going to, let's see if I change it real quick. Brevard. Let's see. Brevard. There we go. So then it's going to automatically give you this relay email, which is still going to be better than this one that's not an actual. So it's going to then prompt you to get your name. You can change that at realestateexperts.com. It's just kind of masked, but it's within the system to stay compliant with all these new rules. And then make sure you put in like from your name and then use vanity email for all email replies. So that's really what is going to help your email deliverability with all the new rules that have come out, I believe, February of last year. Just a little crazy. So those are the two options you want to be able to do within your profile to be able to get those emails. And typically that is going to drastically help get those emails into somebody's inbox versus it going to promo, spam, or anything like that. Make sure once you're done, you click save and you're good to go. Hope that helps.